How do I enable and manage dual SIM functionality using eSIM and physical SIM in multiple devices?
Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of dual SIM functionality using eSIM and physical SIM across multiple devices. We'll guide you step by step on how to enable and manage this feature, enhancing your device capabilities and ensuring optimal use of your mobile network connections.
What is eSIM and physical SIM?
In the simplest terms, a physical SIM is the small card you insert into your phone, while an eSIM, or embedded SIM, is a digital SIM that allows you to activate a mobile network plan without the use of a physical SIM. Devices with eSIM capabilities have their digital SIM embedded in them, meaning you won't need to have a physical SIM card to use that device on the network.
How to enable eSIM?
Enabling eSIM on your device is straightforward. 1. First, go to your device's settings. 2. Tap on mobile networks or cellular networks. This may vary depending on your device. 3. Look for the Add Data Plan option. 4. Scan the QR code provided by your mobile network provider for your eSIM. 5. After scanning, follow the prompts to set up your eSIM. Remember, you need to have an eSIM plan from your mobile network provider to enable it.
How to enable physical SIM?
Enabling a physical SIM is also simple and traditional. 1. Locate your device's SIM card slot, which is usually on the side of the device. 2. Insert the SIM card into the slot as indicated by the device's manual. 3. Your device should automatically recognize the SIM card and activate it on your network.
How to manage dual SIM functionality?
Managing your eSIM and physical SIM together involves setting your preferred SIM for data, calls, and text messages. 1. Go to your device's settings. 2. Tap on mobile networks or cellular networks. 3. You will see both your eSIM and physical SIM listed. Tap on each one to set its preferences. 4. You can specify which SIM you want to use for mobile data, calls, and messages.
How to enable and manage eSIM and physical SIM on multiple devices?
The process for enabling and managing eSIM and physical SIM on multiple devices is the same as on a single device. However, you'll have to repeat the process on each device. Remember, you can only have one active eSIM and one physical SIM per device. If you want to use the same eSIM or physical SIM on multiple devices, you need to consult with your network provider, as they may offer multi-device plans. That wraps up our comprehensive guide to enabling and managing dual SIM functionality using eSIM and physical SIM across multiple devices. Experiment with these features to discover the configuration that works best for you. As always, we hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks in the world of mobile technology.